Going through the magazine books and authors in this video. These videos are from Ghatna Chakra Pointly edition. So moving on, Abdul Kalam Azad wrote India Wins Freedom. Annie Besant's book was New India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak has written Keshari. It's not a book, it's related to him. It was basically a newsletter. Now moving on, Mahatma Gandhi, Hind Swaraj, the language in which Raja Ram Mohan Roy wrote his work, Gift to Monothesis, is Raja Ram Mohan Roy wrote Tuhfat ul Muhammadin in Persian language, which was translated into Gift to Monotheist by Ubaidullah al Ubaidin. The memoir entitled Bapu, My Mother, was written by Manu Ben. The author of the book Sanskriti के 4 अध्याय is written by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Jinni Jinni bin Chandaria is a famous novel written by Abdul Bismillah. Rabindranath Tagore translated the national anthem from Bengali to English as Morning Song of India in February 1990 during his brief stay at Mandana Pale of Andhra Pradesh. Now, Song from Prison is a book of translation from Sanskrit hymns and lyrics in English, is associated with Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gita Rahasya was written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya was written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Aurobindo Ghosh wrote The Divine Life Divine, many other books also. Savitri is one of them. The first historian who wrote about feudalism in Rajasthan during the 19th century was Colonel James Todd. The book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India is written by Dadabhai Nauroji. The poet who wrote the popular poem Firangiya in Bhojpuri against British colonialism was Manoranjan. The Vitthal Vidvanshak, the first monthly journal to have the untouchable people as its target audience, was published by Gopal Baba Valangakar. The correctly matched pairs are Durgesh Nandini Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, India Wins Freedom Abdul Kalam Azad, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India Dadabhai Nauroji. The correctly matched players are Larry Collin and Dominier Lapierre, Freedom at Midnight, Durga Das, India from Curzon to Nehru and After, Rafiq Zakaria, The Man Who Divided India. The correctly matched players are India Wins Freedom Abdul Kalam Azad, Runs and Ruins Sunil Gavaskar, Young India Mahatma Gandhi, New India Annie Besant. The correctly matched players are now The Story of My Deportation Lala Lajpat Rai, Gita Rahasya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, A Nation in Making Surendranath Banerjee, India Wins Freedom Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Unhappy India was written by Lala Lajpat Rai. The correctly matched pairs are Samachar Darpan, J.C. Marshman, Miratul Akbar, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Kesari by Bijit Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Young India by Mahatma Gandhi. The name of newspaper published by Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa is The Indian Opinion. Now the writers and the book associated: Valentine Chirol, Indian Unrest; Subhash Chandra Bose, Indian Struggle; V.D. Savarkar, Indian War for Independence, 1857. Sorry. Now the correctly matched players are Surendranath Banerjee, A Nation in Making; M.K. Gandhi, Hind Swaraj; Subhash Chandra Bose, The Indian Struggle; Lala Lajpat Rai, autobiographical writings. Now books and their authors: History of Freedom Movement in India, Tarachand; History of Freedom Movement in Bihar, K.K. Dutt; Anand Math, Bankim Chandra; Percepts of Jesus, Raja Ram Mohan Roy; Are Indian Musalmans, W. Hunter. The correctly matched pairs are W.D. Savarkar, The Indian War of Independence, 1857; R.C. Majumdar, The Sepoy Mutiny and Revolt of 1857; Rudrangshu Mukherjee, Awadh in Revolt, 1857 to 58; S.B. Chaudhary, Civil Rebellion in Indian Mutinies. Tehzeeb-ul-Akhlaq is written by Sir Syed Ahmad. The book Springing Tiger is a biography of Subhash Chandra Bose. The book Springing Tiger was written by Hugh Toy. He who is the author of Annihilation of Caste is B.R. Ambedkar. Jawaharlal Nehru, a biography, is written by Frank Moraes. The book Guilty Man of India's Partition was authored by Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. Bankim Chand Chatterjee wrote Anant Mat. Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Captive Lady. Rabindranath Tagore, Gora. Sarojini Naidu, The Broken Wing. Now, the English edition of Gitanjali was published in the year 1912. The correctly matched list is Mahatma Gandhi, Hind Swaraj, Ram Manohar Lohia, The Wheels of History, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, India Divided, Abdul Kalam Azad, India Wins Freedom. The book in which Mahatma Gandhi called British Parliament as sterile and prostitute is Hind Swaraj. He who wrote the book Gokhale, My Political Guru, is Mahatma Gandhi. In 1929, at which place Mahatma Gandhi completed his translation of Anashakti Yoga? Answer is Kausani, Uttarakhand. He who wrote the book India for Indians is C.R. Das. The correspondent of newspaper Times, published from London in 1857, wrote that nobody in North India looks for white man's car with friendly view was by W.H. Russell. Indian nationalism in the middle of 19th century was in embryonic stage. This thought was associated with Arsu Majumdar and S.N. Sen. In February 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated centenary celebration of Chauri Chaura. The correctly matched list is as follows: Rajendra Prasad, India Divided; Dilip Mukherjee, Terrorist; S.N. Banerjee, Nation in Making. The famous book Foundation of Indian Culture is authored by Sri Aurobindo. He who wrote the book Bahu Viva, Polygamy, India, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's work is Debi Chaudrani. Deenbandhu Mitra, Neel Darpan. Premchand, शतरंज के खिलाड़ी. द ऑथर ऑफ नेवल चंद्र कांता इज देबिकानंदन खत्री. द करेक्टली मैच्ड लिस्ट इज अमृतलाल नागर, विश्व और अमित, अमृतानंद पंत, चिदम्बरा, सारथ चंद्र चैटर्जी, देवदास, जयदेव, गीत गोविंद. द करेक्टली मैच्ड प्लेयर्स आर इंदु प्रकाश, एम.जी. रानाडे, नेटिव ओपिनियन, V.N. Mandalik, Bombay Chronicles, Shri Firoz Shah Mehta, Indian Mirror, Devendra Nath Tagore. The famous book Das Kapital was written by Karl Marx, and Emigre Communist Journal of M.N. Roy is written by Vanguard. The novel Durgesh Nandini is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The author of Rajniti Ratnakara is Chandeshwara. Kissa Radha Kahaniya is authored by Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. The book which was known as Bible of Bengali Patriotism is Anand Mat. The song of Vande Mataram, which served as great inspiration to patriotic songs of India in their freedom struggle, is in the book Anand Mat. With reference to the book Desher Katha, written by Sakharam Ganesh Deshukar during freedom struggle, the correct statement is: it warned against the colonial state's hypnotic conquest of mind. It inspired the performance of Swadeshi street plays and folk songs. Now, the author of Revolutionary Creation, Cheetavani Rar Chuthangya, is Kesari Singh Barhata. Mahatma Gandhi wrote his autobiography originally in Gujarati. Hind Swaraj was written by Mahatma Gandhi in Gujarati. The book Desher Katha is written by Sakharam Ganesh Deshukar. M.K. Gandhi wrote Hind Swaraj in the year 1909. The famous book Bharatendu Harishchandra is Bharat Durdasha. The famous work of Bharatendu Harishchandra is Bharat Durdasha. He who wrote the play Andher Nagari is Bharatendu Harishchandra. Subramanyam Bharti was a poet in the language of Tamil. Bharat Bharti is Maithili Sharan Gupta. He who assumed the title of Rashtra Kavi for emphatical cooperation in Indian independence struggle through his literary creation is Maithili Sharan Gupta. Now, the correct statement are Neer Darpan was a play based on exploitation of indigo farmers. The author of the play, Ghashiya Ram Kotwal, is by Vijay Tendulkar. Urdu theatre used to depend heavily on Parsi theatre. The author of the book Towards Struggle was Jayaprakash Narayan. He who wrote the book Prison Diary is Jayaprakash Narayan. He who wrote A Passage to India is E.M. Foster. The book India Struggle for Independence was authored by Bipin Chandra. The writer of Indian National Movement is The Long-Term Dynamics is Bipin Chandra. He is the author of book Out of Print Newspapers, Journalism, Business of News in Digital Age, Professor George Brooke. The book Mother India was written by Catherine Mayo. The correctly matched list is Anand Math, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Live Divine Sri Aurobindo, Sadananda, Rabindranath Tagore. He who wrote Chandha Geet, Shamlal Prasad. The nationalist song A Mere Watan Ke Logo has been written by poet Pradeep. Poet Iqbal, who wrote Sare Jahan Se Acha, was related to the state of Punjab. He who wrote famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara is Sir Muhammad Iqbal. Mazhab nahi sikhata apas mein bair rakhna. Who wrote these lines in his works? Answer is Muhammad Iqbal. The pamphlet entitled Why I Am an Atheist was written by Bhagat Singh. The song Amar Sonar Bangla, written during the Swadeshi movement of India, inspired the liberation struggle of Bangladesh and was adopted as the national anthem of Bangladesh. This song was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Jana Gana Mana was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. He was the author of a collection of poems called Golden Threshold, Sarojini Naidu. The author of the book Landmark in Indian Constitutional and National Development is Gurumukh Nihal Singh. The editor of Congress Presidential Addressee is G.A. Nitson. The correctly matched list is Lethe Catherine Mayo, Mother India, Larry Collins, Dominic, Freedom at Midnight, Ram Manohar Lohia, Guilty Men of India's Partition, Jawaharlal Nehru, Discovery of India, Bharat Ek Khoj. Now the book Bandi Jeevan was written by Sachindra Nath Sanyal. The book Mountbatten and the Partition of India was written by Larry Collins and Dominic Lapierre. The report Journey Through Kingdom of Earth in the year 1949 to 50 was written by W.H. Seaman. The correctly matched names of author with their books is Romesh Chandra Dutt, The Economic History of India Under British Rule, J.R. MacLean, Indian Nationalism and Early Congress, Birendranath Ganguly, Indian Economic Thought, 19th Century Perspective, Bipin Chandra, The Rise and Growth of Economic Nationalism in India. The Rise and Growth of Economic Nationalism in India was written by Bipin Chandra. He who authored the book Planned Economy for India is M. Visveshwara. The Roots of Ancient India was written by V. A. Fairservice. The writer of the book India's Second Freedom is M. G. Devashyam. The correctly matched list is Priya Pravas, Ayodhya Prasad, Gaban Premchand, Eternal India Indira Gandhi, Shahnama Firdausi. The correctly matched pairs are Autobiography of an Unknown India, Niraj C. Chaudhary, India a Wounded Civilization, V.S. Naipaul, Confessions of a Lover, the English Mulk Raj Anand, the English teacher R.K. Narayan. The author of the book titled Planning and the Poor is B.S. Minhas. The author of the book Problems of Far East is Curzon. The Untold Story is written by General Call. The famous book The Alphabet was written by David Dringer. The book The Proudest Day was authored by Anthony Reed and David Fisher. बाप रे इतना याद नहीं रहने वाला है. My Music, My Life is written by Ravi Shankar. Adha Gaon is written by Rahi Masoom Raza. Shri Radha is written by Shri Ramkant Rath. The Pilferer is written by Lakshman Gaikawad. Baki Itihas is written by Badal Sirkar. Sita Swayamvar is written by Vishnu Das Bhave. Yayati is written by Vishnu Sakram Khandeka. Gidda is written by Jabbar Patel. The correctly matched pairs are Shashi Tharoor, Show Business, Amitav Ghosh, Circle of Reason, Anita Desai, Clear Light of Day, Vikram Chandra, Love and Longing in Bombay. The author of Love and Longing in Bombay is Vikram Chandra. The correct matched pairs are घर और अदालत, लीला सेठ, झोपड़ी से राष्ट्रपति, महेंद्र कुलश्रेष्ठ, इमेजिनिंग इंडिया, नंदन नीलकर्णी, इमेजिनिंग इंडियन, जर्नी थ्रू Babudom and Neetaland is TSR Subramanyam. Now the correctly matched pair is हरिशंकर परसाई, हंसते हैं रोते हैं, रानी नगफानी की कहानी. गजनान माधव, चांद के मुंह तेरा है, मुक्तिबोध, कथा के सब. We'll be taking a 5 minutes break over here. We'll quickly resume. Now, Godan and Gaban are works of the same author. His name is Munshi Premchand. The author of Nirmala is Munshi Premchand. Out of the given books, namely Meghadautam, Kumar Sambhav, Uttar Machitra, Ritu Samhara, which is not written by Kalidas. Answer is Uttar Ramcharitram, not written by Kalidas. Soje Vatan is a book written by Premchand. The author of Malgudi Days is R.K. Narayan. Hans Christian Andersen has authored Story of Fairies. The Path to Power was written by Margaret Thatcher. Manishankar Iyer authored the book Pakistan Papers. The author of the book A Gallery of Rascals is by Ruskin Bond. The author of The Golden Gate is Vikram Seth. Journalist Vinod Mehta has written his autobiography entitled The Lucknow Boy. Silent Spring was written by Rachel Castle. He who wrote the Satanic Verses is Salman Rushdie. The 2 year, 8 months and 28 nights is written by Salman Rushdie. The author of the book Namesake is Jhumpa Lahiri. The author of the book The Road Ahead is written by Bill Gates. The author of Manas Ke Hans is Amrit Lal Nagar. Sumitra Nandan Pant has been known as Chhawadhi poet. Cornelius Fudge in the novel Harry Potter is the Minister of Magic. The author of Dinah, a tribute, is written by Julia Delano. The poem of late Harivansh Rai Bachchan in chronological order is Madhushala in 1935, Madhubala in 1936, and Madhu Kalash in 1937. The book Bullet for Bullet, My Life as a Police Officer is authored by Julius Rubero. The book entitled Romancing with Life, an autobiography was written by famous film actor Devanand. The correct matched pairs are book The Struggle is My Life, Nelson Mandela. The Struggle and Triumph, Lech Walesa. Friends and Foes, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Rebirth, Leonid Brezhnev. India 2020, APJ Abdul Kalam. Pathology of Corruption, S.S. Gill. Ulysses, James Joyce. The correctly matched Books and their respective authors is W.C. Smith, Modern Islam in India, Khalid bin Saeed, Pakistan, The Formative Phase, 1957 to 1948, Peter Hardy, The Muslims of Indian British India, Moin Shakir, Khilafat to Partition. Now, Atul Kohli, The Success of India's Democracy, Granville Austin, Working a Democratic Constitution, Alan Gledhill, The Republic of India, Development of its Laws and Constitution. The one who has written the book Heart of India is Mark Tully. The author of the book Lajja is Talisma Nasir. The book 1984 is written by George Orwell. She wrote the fiction The God of Small Things in English, Arundhati Roy. Mirangai is a novel written by Vrindavan Lal Verma. Now the book's writer and the year, Indravati by Noor Muhammad in 1744, Madhumalati by Manjhan in 1554, Padmavat by Malik Muhammad Jaisai 1540, Mrigvati Kudumban in 1503. India from Curzon to Nehru is a book of Durga Das, and Equal Music has been written by Vikram Seth. The writer of Bhikri Moti is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. The writer of Naukar Ki Kameez is Vinod Kumar Shukla. The writer of novel David Copperfield, published in 1849 to 50, is Charles Dickinson. The story of book named The Proudest Day is related to the independence of India. The correctly matched list is Half a Life, V.S. Naipaul, Worshipping False God, Arun Shourie, Agni Ki Udaan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Jeet Aapki, Shiv Kheda. Now, the correctly matched list is Gandhian Constitution of India, Sriman Narayan, The Republic of India, A. Gledhill, The White Umbrella, D. Mackenzie Brown, The Politics of India Since Independence, Paul R. Brass. Now, Kamyani is an epic written by well-known Hindi poet Jaishankar Prasad among Ranglal, Nabeen Chandra Sen, Hem Chandra Banerjee and Shiv Kumar Batlavi. The poet who is not a nationalist poet is Shiv Kumar Batalvi. The author of Geographical Factors in Indian History was K.M. Panikkar. He who wrote the book named Baiga is Veer Elvin. Rangbhumi is a masterpiece of Munshi Premchand. The name Khushwant Singh's autobiography is Truth, Love and Little Malice. The author of the book New Dimensions of India's Foreign Policy is APJ Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The author of Ignited Minds is APJ Abdul Kalam. The author of the book named The Poet American World is Fareed Zakira. The book The Story of Integration of Indian States is written by V.P. Menon. The person who translated the autobiography of Madame Curie in Hindi is Lal Bahadur Shastri. The Pakistani Urdu poet Faiz Ahmad Faiz wrote the poem Shub-e Azadi. Elizabeth Holway was well known for her writings related to Himalayan expeditions. The correct matched list: In Custody, written by Anita Desai, Sea of Poppy, Amitav Ghosh, The Argumentative Indian by Amartya Sen, Unaccustomed Earth, Jhumpa Lahiri. The correct matched pairs is Tabbat-e-Akbari, Nizamuddin, Takbat-e-Naisiri, Minaj-ud-Din bin Sirajuddin, Tariq-e-Firozshahi, Ziauddin Bahraini, Tariq-e-Umini al-Utbi. The author of Audacity of Hope is Barack Obama. The book Politics in India is authored by Rajni Kothari. The ghostwriter of Parvez Musharraf's biography In the Line of Fire is Humayun Gohar. The correctly matched list is Munshi Insha Allah Khan, Udaiban Charitra, Babu Devki Nandan Khajar Ki Kotri, Pandit Pratap Narayan Mishra, Hati Hamir, Jaishankar Prasad, Kankal. Andha Yug is dramatic poetic drama written by Dharamveer Bharti. Author of book One Day Wonder is Sunil Gavaskar. The book Live in History is a masterpiece of Hillary Clinton. That'll be all for this video. Thank you. I'm really sorry for the disturbances. I have a lot of construction work going around my house, so really sorry for the disturbances. Can't help it.